Hello and welcome to the GRIDLOK Seismic Ceiling Bracing training session. GRIDLOK is a pre-engineered off-the-shelf solution for seismically securing suspended ceiling systems. Today you'll learn how to install GRIDLOK for grid and tile ceiling systems and for TCR and fairing channel plasterboard ceiling systems. We believe that the way to better building practices is through logic and compliance, so the GRIDLOK ceiling bracing range has been extensively tested and internationally accredited. Our core philosophy of saving lives, property and assisting in business continuation led us to develop the GRIDLOK range of products. These solutions enable architects, designers, structural engineers and construction professionals to mitigate the risk of non-structural failure in commercial buildings from seismic actions. So let's get started.
Choose the GRIDLOK model to suit your ceiling system requirements. GRIDLOK for grid and tile, GRIDLOK fairing channel or GRIDLOK TCR for plasterboard ceiling systems. Use the unique swivel feature to ensure your bracing footprint avoids surface clashes. Step 3. Measure the distance to structure from the fly plate below the screw holes. Step 4. Cut your brace material to the length required using the chart provided. Step 5 is to connect top connectors to the brace material using 10 gauge wafer thick screws, and remember to fill all the screw ports. Now it's time to connect the bracing arms to the GRIDLOK fly plate using the same 10 gauge wafer thick screws. Finally, time to connect the GRIDLOK top connectors to structure over using approved anchors. Well done! Your GRIDLOK seismic ceiling brace is complete.